Last year, we got behind the wheel of the Tata Tiago EV, also dubbed as the most affordable electric vehicle in the country. Well, not anymore, as its hatchback counterpart, the Tiago, now gets the electric treatment and replaces the Tiago EV as the most affordable vehicle on sale in India. Of course, the Tiago EV is more than just Tata's first electric hatchback. Here are 5 things you need to know about it. At a glance, the Tiago EV is still the hatchback we're all familiar with, as the most noticeable difference with the Tiago is it not having that bulky rear end. Being an electric vehicle, the Tiago EV stands apart from its petrol-powered cousin with a closed-off grille, different wheel caps, EV logos all around, and a choice of special blue paint jobs with light blue accents. Put the Tiago and Tiago EV cabins side by side and you'll be hard pressed to find any differences. The white themed cabin even stands apart from its ICE counterpart. It retains a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system though, along with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and an 8-speaker Harman audio system. It may look largely unchanged, but the electric Tiago is better equipped than its ICE sibling. It gains features like automatic climate control, push-button start-stop, connected car tech, cruise control, and leatherette seats. The big change is under the hood with 2 powertrain tunes as well as short and long-range battery packs. The most potent setup makes 75 PS and offers a claimed range of 315 km on a single charge. There's also fast charging tech with a 0 to 80% charge in 57 minutes. Will it find takers? Hard to argue that, as the Tiago EV is the most affordable electric vehicle in India, undercutting the base Tiago EV XE by a whopping 4 lakh. Of course, being good on paper is one thing, experiencing it is another. Stay tuned for when we get behind the wheel of the electrified Tiago.